Hi, I'm Cal, your Calsense virtual trainer. Today, we're going to learn how to use the alert filtering feature for the CS3000 in the Command Center Online platform, which we'll refer to as CCO. First, we'll begin by logging into our CCO account. From here, we'll navigate to Setup and select Alert Filters. From the Alert Filters screen, we'll select the plus New Filter button. For this demonstration, we'll create a filter named Power Failure. Next, observe the various alert types. By default, all of them are selected. We encourage you to carefully read and review each alert type as it applies to your desired filter. To the right of each alert description is a drop-down that will label the alert as either info, warning, or critical. These flags can be used for more detailed filtering later on. For now, we'll leave the defaults in place. Once your alerts are selected, scroll down and press the Save Filter button. We'll be redirected to the Alert Filter screen, where you'll see a listing of all of your alert filters. Only your specific CCO user account can view these alert filters. You can set one as the default, edit, or delete them. Now to apply the filters. We'll navigate to Report and select Alerts. I'll select the controller site from the site list on the left-hand side. We'll adjust our date range to the last 7 days. We'll select our Report Options button, where you'll see a filter drop-down containing a list of created filters. From here, we'll select Power Failure. Once selected, our alert report will update and display only power-related alerts. When selecting report options, the priority drop-down will display either info, warning, critical, or all, which will match the drop-down seen earlier next to each alert message. This is for added detailed filtering. Thank you so much for reviewing alert filtering in CCO for the CS3000. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can reach us at info@calsense.com or call us at 760-438-0525.